Creative Cloud delivers the world's best creative apps for everyone, from beginners to pros. Whether you're an artist, designer, filmmaker, or photographer, or just want to see where your ideas can take you, you've got all the tools you need to make anything you want, wherever you're inspired. Get the essentials like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, and work faster and smarter with next-generation apps like Adobe XD, Spark, and the all-new Lightroom CC. There's no limit to what you can make. Design and prototype experiences for websites and mobile apps. Create incredible artwork and illustrations. Edit and share your photos from anywhere. Create social graphics, web pages, and video stories in minutes. And take your footage further with the same Hollywood tools pros use. You can also get powerful mobile apps so you can tap into your creative ideas from anywhere. Draw, sketch, paint, capture images and colors, perfect photos on the go. It's simple and really fun. With your membership, you can download every Adobe Creative app as soon as it's released, and all your apps and assets are connected across desktop and mobile, so everything's right at your fingertips. Creative Cloud also comes with services like Adobe Stock and Typekit. Get a jump on your projects with access to millions of high-quality images, graphics, and videos right inside your apps. And choose from thousands of beautiful fonts from the world's leading type foundries. Community is at the heart of Creative Cloud, helping you advance your skills. Share your ideas and get inspired. Get up and running fast with hundreds of tutorials and templates. Showcase and discover great work on Behance. Create your own Adobe portfolio website and join us at our great live events. There's a Creative Cloud plan for everyone, so whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, it's everything you need for whatever you dream up next.